Hey guys, back with another banger fidget spinner video. I'm going to show you how to make a fidget spinner out of Legos with the propeller. You are going to need one of these, one of these black things with that hole in the middle, two of them, Then you're gonna need a plane propeller. First, you put this one. See how it has like when it's upward, it has those little nudges. Well, put it downwards on the tan thing, and you want to slide it down all the way. Then you get your propeller, and you slide it down the other one. And you slide it and it should spin like that. Oh, that was cool. Cool. That was cool. You just have to watch. Look at the propeller. It looks like it goes like backwards. Hey guys, so this is a Lego fidget spinner made out of a plane propeller. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Peace out.